Coverage of CES is sponsored by us. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe for more coverage on CES 2026.
PC coolers. If you guys know what I'm talking about, we did a couple review on their products. Now let's go in depth and see what they have new on their products. We're looking at a new IO converting colors. There's a shield in here, DV 3600 360 LT RGB light. The other model is the M model. And this is what we have right now, something like this. We just got this one. Love the model. Unfortunately, RGB lighting is not fixable. Look at this one. Oh, LCD screen, one input in here. And this model, what do we have here? It's look at this one. Look at the corner glass in here. Real glass, not Pepsi. Fans on the top. And this unit is huge. It's probably heavy too, so I'm not sure how heavy it's gonna go, but really big. I like it. Like this unit, large unit. I can feel the air up here, ventilation, air in the back, circulating. You can see the actual, one thing I do see that it does need a little bit more work on. I'm thinking about the display port, because the display goes into the actual back end here. So, like this unit, and this unit is a C7W700. What's in right now? People are creating their own NAS drives. SU1650 and then RS700, but look at this monstrosity in here. This is all aluminum base. The skeleton's all aluminum, all right? But on the bottom, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fans. Look at this thing. This is a monstrosity of a machine. Now, plenty of space for maybe 2 computers in here, 3 computers, probably 3 ATX motherboards, to be honest with you. This is huge. It is huge. Now, they do have lineup, I guess, I believe it's for the SATA connections. All the cable management is located in the back, all right? And this is a monstrosity of a machine. I'm gonna show you how big it is. This one is like, it's huge, and it must be really heavy because of aluminum. USB, type 2 USBs, type C, and 3.5 audio and flash button.